Good morning everyone, welcome to another video. So today I'm just going to go through some of the areas that we marked up yesterday. I didn't change anything because I didn't do any trades yesterday, but so I'll keep it short and sweet. But as you can see, what we're looking to see for confirmations has happened. So we were about, when we did this yesterday, we were about here, 9 o'clock. So we set this low to see what's going to happen. And as you can see, this was the move. So we took out all of this liquidity and found our new low here. So what we're going to be looking for now, most likely today, is shorts through these zones. So we've got 12890, and 12930. So this is the zone we're looking at, really. This is the bottom, this is the kind of mid-range flip point, and then this is the top. There is a potential way here where we can look for buys if we manage to close above here, but now we've got our range, we've got our top, middle, low. So as I spoke about on DXY yesterday, this was the box that we need to trade into to show that we're probably going to be continuing to be bullish, and that's exactly what we hit. So last night went straight into there, got this reaction, came down, found there is support back here again, which we had already marked if you look in the last video, and now we're trading above here. Yesterday we were on this candle here, look, 9 o'clock. This is when I did the previous video when I marked this and this. Now we've done all this, we've found support at the top of the range. If we continue to go up, that means these are going to go down. So these are the range. So we've got 1289, 1293 and 1297 as your zones. I'll probably be looking for shorts unless we find a support here after 2 o'clock and this here starts to basically close below here and go down. That's what we'll be looking for longs, if we do go for longs. If it's short, we'd continue to go. We start to break this point here and this point here and this point here. Very simple. Now here we are, euro, same again. So this is when we did yesterday's analysis here on this candle. So we got the top and the bottom, and then we had this point where it could potentially reach. Now I've already done today's job yesterday. So what we're going to be looking for is potential shorts heading down to this area here. If we manage to close above here after 2 o'clock, we could be looking for longs. We might get a sweep and then a retest and then go up. So we've got 1084, 108 dead, 1087. Very simple. Next, here we are with AUD, USD. So this is what happened yesterday. This is the candle that we marked the zone from, and that's because of this low here. Now again, we've took a sweep. We're a bit ahead of the other two pairs in terms of the range. We are using this as support. However, it's in a good position because it gives us an idea of where we could close if we could keep going down or keep going up. So we've got 62.4 and 62.8. See where we end up after 2 o'clock. The news today is looking quite, let's have a look if I remember. Yeah, we've got ISM at 2, which is good in my opinion, because we have a nice slow day. We'll get a big manipulation there, and then we can trade off that manipulation maybe half an hour after. So what we're going to look at is not where we're at 2 o'clock, my mistake, is where we're at about half 2. Whether we get that big manipulation from the news and then we start to get the actual move, retest up or slip retest down. Similar with this, we haven't managed to hold the top of this area yet. We found this bottom here, which is around this area here, so I'll mark that up. But again, we're looking to see if we hold this area, and the targets for the shorts will be down here, targets for longs will be up here. So we've got 57.1, 56.8 as the midpoint, and 56.4. Going to keep it nice and short today. So look at this, this is interesting. As you know, I haven't been trading gold that much, but I marked this area yesterday as a potential entry. At 2 o'clock we took a massive sweep, tapped it and flew up, which was pretty mad. If you look on the last video, you'll see that that's an area I marked up and it looks like it was perfect, but I mean, it was this candle here. There was no entry model there unless you set a limit and got lucky really. But as you can see, it's on the last video, 3,100 is where I marked, just using structure. if you look at my reasoning, it was because of this here, and it was a key whole number. So I wouldn't go directly to this like that because it's 3097, it's not a whole number, but 3100 is a whole number. So we'll just keep it pretty simple with this really. As you can see now, this previous high is now being used as support, and then the new high, all-time high, is 3150. So I'm just going to mark that up. All-time high. Right, here we go. So we had a bit more momentum yesterday. So this was our zone. We did this at this candle here. Oh no, this candle here. This one is where we marked this zone because this is the top. We took all that out quite late in the day, well 3 o'clock, and we came up to here. So let's mark this new high at 88.5. Put higher high. Now, what we're going to be looking for now is a potential hold of this area to go up, and we might even start to target this area now as well, 88.6 or even 88 dead. Sorry, 88.8, my mistake. This is where we might target next. So if we hold above here, we can target here for a small range. And if we hold above here, we're going to target this area here now, 88.8. Here we are. So yeah, yesterday's analysis was on this candle here. There we go. And we found support here, pretty obvious support, and that's the reason why we found the resistance from there. So we're going to mark that up again. On the floor, sort that out. So this is what we'll probably be trading off this time, which is a 40 pip move. We're looking for a reaction from here, or potential shorts, depending on what happens with the dollar today. But we've got some pretty good zones now, so we can short from here or buy from here, and short from there, down to there, whatever. But that's still a 40 pip move, which is pretty decent. Here we go. So we have USD JPY, interesting. So we cut our zone in half a little bit yesterday because it was so sporadic. So this is where we were at yesterday at 9 o'clock, which was bang in the middle of these two, and I just put this just to play safe to see where we end up now. It's pretty clear we came and swept. Now we're using this as support. So the next kind of zone I'll be looking at as potential reactions from is the 150. That's been a key level for us for a while. So we'd be looking for trades from here upwards or here downwards. So I'm just going to mark that. And here we go. I've kept it nice and simple today, not too long. So again, as I said, if we start trading in this box here all today and start pushing through, all of these pairs are going to go down, excluding gold. That's got a mind of its own. And these two for most likely are going to go up, and this one is a bit, it's mind of its own, to be honest with you. But all it means is these two are likely to be going up. This one probably likely to go down if we start trading up with the dollar. For some reason it's anti-correlating. So yeah, that's what we need to see. So if we close in this gap here after the news, we trade into it, these pairs are going to go up. If we trade into this one, these pairs are going to go down and these ones are going to go up. So that's what we've got to look at. But yeah, I kept the video nice and short today for you. So if you've got any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section and I'll answer them. And if you want any videos doing, let me know and I will do them. Alright, thanks very much. Bye bye.